In a world brimming with obstacles and uncertainties, the quest to realize our dreams often feels overwhelming. Yet, what if I told you that within you lies the power to transform those dreams into reality? Today, we're diving into the transformative power of dreams and how they can fuel our path to success. Buckle up, because the journey from aspiration to achievement is a riveting story of courage, determination, and triumph. Every monumental achievement begins with a single spark, a dream. This vision is the catalyst that ignites a relentless fire within us. But dreams alone aren't the magic wand. They demand more: determination, resilience, and an unshakable belief in oneself. Imagine a dream as a seed. Without the right care and environment, it remains just that, a seed. Nurture it with action and perseverance, and it blossoms into a reality. Allow me to introduce you to Sarah, a beacon of determination and success. Sarah's journey wasn't always smooth. She struggled academically and often found herself overwhelmed, plagued by self-doubt. Despite the challenges, Sarah held on to a powerful vision of success. She knew she had to overcome her obstacles, but she wasn't quite sure how. One pivotal moment changed everything for Sarah. She decided to seize control of her destiny. She began by setting clear, actionable goals, breaking them into manageable tasks. Each step forward, no matter how small, was a victory. As Sarah ticked off her goals one by one, her confidence surged. This systematic approach turned her dreams into attainable milestones. But Sarah's journey wasn't a solitary one. She recognized the significance of surrounding herself with a network of support. Friends, mentors, and family who believed in her vision played a crucial role in her success. Collaboration and seeking guidance weren't just helpful, they were essential. This support system provided not only encouragement, but also invaluable advice and resources. Months of unwavering dedication and hard work finally paid off. Sarah achieved the academic success she had longed for. But her story didn't end there. This achievement was merely a stepping stone in her broader journey of success. Sarah's commitment to her dream had paved the way for new opportunities and goals. Empowered by her own journey, Sarah chose to share her story with others. She understood that her experiences, filled with struggles and triumphs, could serve as a powerful source of inspiration. By opening up about her challenges and successes, Sarah aimed to motivate others to chase their dreams with the same fervor, no matter how insurmountable the obstacles may seem. The reality is, greatness lies within all of us. It's about embracing the journey, learning from our failures, and steadfastly pursuing our goals. Each setback is a lesson in disguise, each challenge a stepping stone towards success. Your dreams are valid, and with the right mindset and actions, they are within reach. Remember, the only limits we face are the ones we impose on ourselves. Harness the power of your dreams, fuel them with determination, and surround yourself with a supportive network. Your journey to success is not just about the destination, it's about the transformation you undergo along the way. So, take that first step today, and let your dreams guide you to a future of limitless possibilities.